Good morning, good morning. It is day 23 and apparently it's either Mad Monday or Marvellous Monday. It's 9:30 in the morning. I've driven to my local retail park where there's a Marks and Spencer's, Asda, Boots, a Next. So most of the shops that I will probably or possibly need, I'm hoping to be home by 12, so keep your fingers crossed. The traffic on the way over was a bit iffy, but loads of parking space, so hopefully all will go well. I'll try and take you round if I've got time. Wowza, back in the car and it's 12 o'clock. So not bad going. I've been in Asda, got all the food shopping, been to Soccer Sports for a few bits of stocking fillers, and had a quick look in Marks and Spencer's, but didn't linger. The queue for people collecting food orders and another queue to get into the food hall just put me right off. We don't need it. So fingers crossed, we'll see how long it takes me to get home. It's now 2 minutes past 12 and the traffic is quite busy. It usually takes about 15 minutes, so let's see how we get on. I'm back. You're pleased I'm back, aren't you, Esme? 12:33. So it took me just over 20 minutes to get home, which wasn't bad considering the traffic could have been horrendous. The longest time was actually getting off the car park and onto the main road. And once I was moving, it was fine really. So I've unloaded the car. I've now got to clear out the freezer and the fridge to make room for the Christmas goodies. It's getting late, guys. It's 4:45. Sorry about the bad light. You can see the tree though, it's twinkling. I've been busy finishing off my crowns. Just got 3 more to do and then we're good to go. All the presents are wrapped, ginger cakes made. The only thing I've got to do tomorrow is the turkey gravy. Everything else is done. And good old Jamie Oliver, I'm sure, won't let me down on that one. Day 23. Let's get the last of the bag makers box open. Ooh, interesting. It's a humongous reel of thread, which is going to be perfect for sewing up everything else that was in the bag maker's box. I got a little bit curious this morning and she did Emma from Studio 77 did a box opening of the 24-day calendar advent box. I just had the 12. And what she's done the first 12 days are what I got in mind, and I was curious to see what the other 12 days were. And oh my God, I seriously wish I'd signed up for the 24-day one now. But you know, I played it safe. Last year, Fabric Godmother seriously let me down. And I don't think this year's has been any better. I've seen a few people opening them and it's just really not floated my boat. But yeah, well done, Studio 77. Absolutely loved the bag maker's box. I've just got one more of my Swapmas box to open tomorrow. And then that's Vlogmas all done. So I hope you've enjoyed coming out with me today. A little bit of footage from me out and about. It was a little bit crazy out there, but I managed to survive. I was back home by 12:30ish and I spent the afternoon wrapping presents, making crowns, and baking ginger cake. And I'm absolutely shattered now. So I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.